Everyone is talking about AI side hustles in 2026, but most of them are either unrealistic, saturated, or require skills you don't have yet. In this video, I'll show you AI side hustles that are actually realistic. No coding, no hype, just leverage. And I'll give you a simple filter to choose the right one for you. Here's the truth. The opportunity isn't chasing tools, it's building systems. AI doesn't replace skill, it amplifies structured thinking. So before we talk about hustles, use this three-part filter: demand, repeatability, and AI amplification. If a hustle fails even one of these, skip it. Side Hustle 1: AI content repurposing for creators, coaches, and educators. These people already have long videos, podcasts, webinars, but they don't have time to turn them into shorts, LinkedIn posts, and email content. You're not selling editing, you're selling distribution. Here's the simple workflow. Step 1, get the transcript. Step 2, use AI to extract 10 hooks and 10 clip candidates. Step 3, you produce a weekly batch in a consistent format. A beginner can charge $500 to $2,000 per month per client depending on volume and quality. To start in 24 hours, pick one niche: coaches, fitness, real estate, education. Message 20 creators with a sample repurpose and offer a weekly package. Side Hustle 2: AI research assistant for founders and teams. Businesses don't want AI tutorials. They want decision-ready summaries. You take messy information, markets, competitors, customer reviews, and turn it into a structured brief. Here's the workflow. Collect sources. Ask AI to summarize and extract insights. Then write a one-page executive brief. Opportunities, risks, recommendations. This is valuable because it saves hours and improves decision speed. To start in 24 hours, pick one industry, create one sample, market snapshot, PDF, and pitch it to small agencies and founders. Side Hustle 3: AI workflow setup for small businesses. Most businesses waste 10 to 20 hours per week on repetitive tasks, replying to leads, drafting emails, follow-ups, basic reporting. You become the systems builder. A simple example: a lead form comes in. AI drafts the reply. It gets saved in a Google Doc, and the owner reviews and sends. The AI generates a ready-to-send draft in seconds, so the owner only needs to review and approve. You're not selling automation. You're selling saved time and fewer missed leads. To start in 24 hours, build one simple demo workflow for a common business, real estate clinics, gyms, and pitch it as a setup service plus monthly support. Side Hustle 4: AI-enhanced freelancing. This is the fastest to start because you're using AI to multiply your output. Pick one service: short-form scripts, LinkedIn ghostwriting, thumbnail ideation, email sequences, resume optimization. The key is positioning. You don't sell AI writing, you sell outcomes. Better conversions, better hiring chances, better reach. To start in 24 hours, choose one service, build 3 sample outputs, and pitch to clients who already have demand. Side Hustle 5: productized outcomes. Most people sell prompts, that's weak. Instead, sell a complete outcome: a Notion system, a checklist, a template, and the prompts inside it. Examples: a content engine kit, a job search AI kit, a client outreach kit. To start in 24 hours, Build one kit for one audience, make it simple, and launch it with a short demo video. None of these are passive, but they're realistic, scalable, and they work because they're tied to real demand. If you're starting today, don't chase 5 hustles. Pick one skill stack, master it, then scale with AI. If you want more strategic AI leverage videos, productivity, creation, and monetization, subscribe to Neural Toolkit. Next, I'll show the AI skills that will make you valuable in the next 3 years.